Welcome to MCQS Hub YouTube channel. Today video is on Body Fluid and Circulation, Human Heart. 1. The walls of the ventricles possess thick muscular projections. They are known as A. Conus arteriosus, B. Truncus arteriosus, C. Chordae tendineae, D. Columnae carni. Answer D. Columnae carni. 2. Regulation of normal activities of the human heart takes place. A. By the autonomic nervous system. B. Intrinsically. C. By the diencephalon. D. By the brainstem. Answer B. Intrinsically. 3. The location of the neurocenter activity of the heart is A. Midbrain, B. Pons, C. Cerebrum, D. Medulla oblongata. Answer D. Medulla oblongata. 4. The hormonal regulation of cardiac output is A. Mediated by the adrenal medulla, B. Mediated by the adrenal cortex, C. Mediated by thyroid, D. Mediated by pineal. Answer A. Mediated by the adrenal medulla. 5. The reason why tricuspid and bicuspid valves are closed is A. Ventricular relaxation, B. Ventricular filling, C. Atrial systole, D. Attempted backflow of blood into the atria. Answer D. Attempted backflow of blood into the atria. 6. Which of these events will not take place if the semilunar valves did not function? A. Ventricular contraction, B. Atrial contraction, C. Blood flow, D. Production of heart sound. Answer D. Production of heart sound. 7. The reason why the sun node, sinoatrial node, is the natural pacemaker is A. Generates an action potential which is more in size than other parts of the conducting system, B. Only part of the conducting system generating impulse, C. Located in the right atrium, D. Generates the highest number of action potentials in the conducting system. Answer D. Generates the highest number of action potentials in the conducting system. 8. The tricuspid valve is present between A. Ventricle and pulmonary artery, B. Ventricle and aorta, C. Left auricle and left ventricle, D. Right auricle and right ventricle. Answer D. Right auricle and right ventricle. 9. Bundle of his is a network of A. Muscle fibers present only in the ventricle wall, B. Nerve fibers distributed in ventricles, C. Muscle fibers distributed throughout the heart walls, D. Nerve fibers found throughout the heart. Answer A. Muscle fibers present only in the ventricle wall. 10. Heart of heart is underscore A. SA node, B. AV node, C. Bundle of his, D. Purkinje fibers. Answer A. SA node. 11. Which of the following has the thickest wall? A. Right ventricle, B. Left ventricle, C. Right atrium, D. Left atrium. Answer B. Left ventricle. 12. Pacemaker is underscore A. AV node, B. SA node, C. Bundle of his, D. Ventricle muscles. Answer B. SA node. 13. SA node is located in underscore A. Upper lateral wall of right atrium, B. Lower lateral wall of left atrium, C. Lower lateral wall of right atrium, D. Upper lateral wall of left atrium. Answer A. Upper lateral wall of right atrium. 14. Bundle of his is made up of underscore A. Nervous tissue supplied to ventricles, B. Nervous tissue supplied to heart, C. Muscular tissue supplied to heart, D. Muscular tissue supplied to ventricles. Answer D. Muscular tissue supplied to ventricles. 15. Blood enters into the heart because of muscles of underscore. A. Atria relax. B. Ventricles contract. C. Ventricles relax. D. Atria contract. Answer: A. Atria relax. 16. The opening of right atrium into right ventricle is guarded by underscore. A. Mitral valve. B. Tricuspid valve. C. Bicuspid valve. D. Aortic semilunar valve. Answer: B. Tricuspid valve. 17. Mitral valve is present between underscore. A. Right atrium and left ventricle. B. Right and left ventricle. C. Left ventricle and aorta. D. Left atrium and left ventricle. Answer: D. Left atrium and left ventricle. Thanks for watching. Now subscribe MCQS Hub.